Hello guys, it's the Sandy and thanks for clicking my video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install WhatsApp application to your ANBOX in Ubuntu operating system. This video is for those people who have not a smartphone to scan the keywords to code. So that is why you can install the WhatsApp application in the Ubuntu operating system through ANBOX Android emulator. So this is my Ubuntu operating system, and this is an ANBOX application. Start a browser and starting the APK mirror. First install the APK file to install the WhatsApp application in ANBOX. Do you know what is the APK file? And APK means the full form of APK. A for Android package kit. What is an APK file? An APK, an Android package kit. APK is for short name. It's a package file format used by the Android operating system for distribution and installation of mobile apps. Just like a Windows PC system, use .exe is just like the executable or .msn file. For installing software, the APK does the same for in the Android operating system. So when you download an APK online, you are essentially getting an app. Most user gets app from the Google Play Store without ever seeing in Word.apk. But there are occasions when you would want to do in other ways. So that is why we use the APK mirror site to install WhatsApp. So in the search bar, type the WhatsApp to find a WhatsApp application, and then there are many WhatsApp. There are beta version, stable, and latest. We're gonna download a stable, latest and stable WhatsApp application. So there is a 5 variant. This is the beta version. This is the 4 variant stable version. Scroll it down. So there are available apps, and there are 4 variants. And the first variant here, AMEABI.v7a, it's not for us. x86 is not for us. ARM64v8a is not for us. x86-64 it is for us. It is Intel and AMD for processor. It is for our processor because my computer is AMD motherboard. So download it on the PK, and a pop-up window will appear, and to click on the save in the file, click on the save and click on the OK, and it will the default folder, download folder is my default folder, and click hit on the save button. It automatically save on my download folder. So it has download already completed. So go to download folder. Hit home folder. Go to the download folder. This is already installed, and now you're gonna need to rename this file. To rename this, hit on rename, just type WhatsApp and the caps on APK and rename, hit on the rename button. So now let's do shift to a documents folder. Just cut and copy here, paste here. Just cut and paste here, and it is still stay on the documents folder. And we need to open terminal. So what is type the cd documents to open the documents folder, and what is files in the documents folder, and the video editing get on live and whatsapp.apk, and we gonna need to install WhatsApp APK file to go to tab abd install WhatsApp ap.apk. Add fail to start WhatsApp APK no such file on directory, and actually we some mistake. Actually WhatsApp w is caps, starting from caps. You can copy, paste here, or just duplicate it. Start W with caps W. So start W caps WHET, the same spelling and same apk.apk, and hit enter. We already type and hit enter, and you can see the apps already installed and successful, and you can see the little bit of WhatsApp already installed in my ANBOX. So you can find the WhatsApp icon on the ANBOX application. So need to start. So we have customized ROM installation. This is not necessary to read it. Just hit an OK button. This code not necessary to. This is the first loop, agree to end condition, and choose a country, +91 in my country code, and 10 digit for type my phone number. Type my phone number and hit on the next button. Connecting will be verified the phone number. Is this okay? Would you like to edit the number? And this is my they would like to send us a code through SMS in my mobile phone. So to easily verify mobile number, just verify my mobile phone through SMS. I'm going to hit to continue. Allow WhatsApp to send a few SMS messages. We agree to allow the hit on the allow, and you can see put the code in between the 1 minute 4 seconds, or you can call me, or you hit the call me, or you can hit the resend SMS. So already I can found a button. There is my code and hit enter. Okay, already verified. Type my name. Type your name. SNTWP. Actually, my name is Sandeep Baza. Already check 12 character. Hit to next to enter the. And you can see there is no need to scan QR code through my smartphone. So it is already entered the WhatsApp interface. It's a WhatsApp interface. You can customize the WhatsApp as your own, so you can add. So start my WhatsApp again, close the ANBOX and restart, and I'm gonna restart the ANBOX again. Restart ANBOX WhatsApp, and click on the WhatsApp icon, and I'm gonna add a person to my contact list. So there's a maximum set. While change the home work, when you have done it, click on the right done button, and then you can now I'm gonna send SMS and my newly contact person. And now I will ANBOX through UBUNTU and hit on the Control Enter to send the message. And I hope you enjoy this video, and you can run the WhatsApp through ANBOX in Ubuntu operating system. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel to check out some of my other interesting video. So take care, God bless you, bye bye.